AI is the library, but you are the librarian. Think about working in a library with a massive collection of information, a lot of books and references. But if you don't know what are you looking for, without guidance, you can get lost in the library. And you will need, of course, a librarian who does not just hand you a random book, but also help you to find what's relevant, what's reliable, and what does suit to your need and goals. In the same way, generative AI can generate a bunch of content, a flood of content, but AI does not know your students. AI does not know your curriculum, your values. It does not know if your learners are anxious or confident. That's where, as an educator, you come in. Because you are the one who knows how to scaffold your learning. You are the one who knows how to adapt your learning into your context, into your timing, and into your tone. That is the reason why, as educators, as teachers, you have to talk about pedagogy first before talking about technology. And we know that AI holds a very great promise for classroom. And of course, that's the reason why right now teachers and institutions are turning to AI with so much interest. AI can save time and automate tasks. AI can also give very improved feedback. AI can customize your learning content, and AI can increase, of course, accessibility and inclusiveness. You can also, as an educator, use AI in your assignment to generate quizzes. You can use AI as a debate partner in your classroom. You can also use AI as a writing assistant to help students to develop their writing skills. You can use it also as a peer review assistant. So when people say AI will transform education, that's what it means. It's real support for time, for personalization, for inclusiveness. But again, AI is not magic and cannot replace either the teacher. And of course, like every tools, generative AI tools come with a limitation. And in educations, in classroom, those limitations can sometimes mislead and misinform as well. For example, let's talk about the hallucination of generative AI. For example, fake scientific references or invented historical event or just outdated or obsolete information. So all these are some hallucination of AI that we must be careful. We can also have biased views of generative AI. For example, confirmation bias, linguistic bias, cultural bias, or even gender bias. Really, as educators, our role is not just to use AI well, but also to show our students what is responsible, what is transparent, and what is fair use of AI looks like. And remember, as I said at the beginning, AI can suggest, but you are the educators, you have to decide what matters for your students and your goals. AI can retrieve, but you educators, you have to curate the generated content. And of course, we don't need to fear about AI. We need to lead AI. Thank you very much.